If you want to change the theme in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change Edge browser themes in just a few clicks, so you can switch between light, dark, or system default depending on what feels best for you. This is a quick and easy setting, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable your browsing experience feels. Whether you want a cleaner look during the day or a darker interface at night, Edge gives you simple options to customize the browser appearance. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three-dot menu, also known as the More menu. Click that menu to open the list of browser options. From there, find and click Settings. This will take you into the main Edge settings page, where you can control everything from privacy to appearance and startup preferences. On the left-hand side of the settings page, look for Appearance and click it. This section is where Microsoft Edge keeps all of its visual customization options, including theme controls, toolbar settings, and overall browser styling. Now, scroll to the section labeled Overall Appearance. Here, you'll see the available theme choices. You can select light if you want a bright, classic browser look. You can choose dark if you prefer a low-light interface that may feel easier on the eyes, especially in the evening. Or you can select System Default if you want Edge to automatically match your computer's current theme settings. Just click the option you want, and the change should apply right away. No extra saving or restarting is usually needed, so you can instantly see the new look in your browser. If you want to test each one, feel free to switch between light, dark, and system default until you find the style you like best. This is a simple way to personalize Edge and make it feel more comfortable for your daily use. And that's it. You now know how to change Edge browser themes in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a moment, but it can completely change the feel of your browser. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, software tips, and quick browser guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.